Well, we're back on the Ranger today and checking out suspension pieces, what needs to be replaced. I'm assuming this amount of wobble is going to be expected, right? Because of that axle. What about the same over here? I don't know if you guys can see that. I assume that should be normal. Up here we got one dry, one wet, so I'm guessing there's some kind of seal in there leaking. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. I'm guessing that's a fill, and don't know which one's a drain. There's a lot of mud in here. It's probably obvious if I clean this out. I'll be working on that over a couple days. Somebody rounded that out, it looks like, so that'll be fine. Maybe we'll just open the fill and suck it out. If anyone has any better suggestions for that, I'm all ears. I'm definitely new to working on these. Over here. Now I know that ain't right. That's probably got something to do with my alignment issues. Both sides. Looks like it's the ball joint on the lower control arm. Let's see. Can I get the camera in the right spot? Tie rod feels good. So I'm guessing that's just that lower. Of course I haven't taken off the covers yet, but oh, there's a busted boot. That's probably indicative of problems. Better take this cover off and take a look-see under there. Yeah, so if you guys see anything else that I don't see or know about, oh, wait a minute, that boot, I don't think y'all can see. I think this boot in here on the steering is completely torn open. Oh yeah. Damn it. Get in there, camera. Come on. So I guess I better pull that off. Alright, I took the cover off here and it looks like, yeah, this is gonna need a new boot and new boot down here. Let's see, where's the drain for that front diff? I see the vent. Oh, and I see, I don't know if y'all can see. Let me try. How about right there? I'm pretty sure that's the drain, or that's gonna be the fill. God, dog, come on. Yeah, right there. That must be the fill or the drain, if anybody knows, can point me in the right direction. Bolt missing up there. Oh yeah, so if that's the fill down there, then I think this must be the drain right here. Looks like it's got a crush washer in it or something, under it or something. Let's see. What else could go wrong? What else could be wrong now? Let's see the steering. Steering won't need fluid, just grease in that boot afterwards, right? So we got these two boots. The ones on the other side appear to be fine, but if they come in a set, probably do them too. So we got the two boots. We got these joints and ball joints on the A-arm, lower A-arm, control arm, whatever they call it. Both sides in the front. What else did we have back here? We need new sway bar bushings on both sides. Whatever leaking here, need to do fluid change front and rear, and I believe, so correct me if I'm wrong, this is the transmission fluid change, right? Is there anything else? Something I'm unclear about is what is in this thing right here. Is this the clutch cover? I guess there's two clutches, one here, one in there, and the belt assembly in there. If I change that fluid in the what I'll call transmission fluid under there, do I need to open this up and look? Let's see. Do I got any other questions for you right now? I don't think so. I know the air filter's good. Now y'all probably can't see much in this video, but if there's anything else you see or think I know, or see or think you know I should do while certain pieces are off or uncovered, let me know, and I appreciate it. We'll circle back.